All right, guys, back at it again. I got a fb6, about to do an engine swap. Customer blew the engine. Check it out. All right, so I guess I don't know what happened. I tried to record, but I guess it didn't record. Anyway, so I removed the manifold. Other parts here: alternator, part of the intake manifold, throttle body, battery tray from I don't know what brand it is. Probably Engine or Skunk 2. ECU and all that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just remove this radiator support. I'm gonna mark it all up so I can place it back in. Remove the radiator. Might leave the condenser because I didn't evacuate the refrigerant or whatnot. But I'm gonna pull this engine out this way. As you can see, I've removed the cowl as well, and the metal panel that goes underneath of it. Shift linkage to the side, harness is unplugged from the car itself. Slave cylinder as well, inline. I removed the tensioner, alternator. I'll remove this as much as I can. I'll unbolt the AC compressor, move that to the side. Start taking, I guess, the exhaust as well. I'll take care of that tomorrow. Nathaniel! The mounts, boom, boom. The bottom one, that's easy peasy, right? And then it's gonna come up this way. Woo, that's it. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod. Anyways, K24z7 out. That's it. All right, so basically it's in. You gotta tighten up that mount. This mount over here, the bottom one. You gotta put in that battery relocation kit that they have. Intake fluids. I'm gonna drain out a little bit more of the oil. Gotta put in the axles, both sides. And that's it. Oh, the cowl and all that. That's pretty much it. So, and the ECU. Get the exhaust done. Skunk through. Woo. Move. Engine swap is already done.